Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Rachel, and today we are going to be doing a Sephora play unboxing. This comes as a really good distraction from today. If you guys have watched my past couple videos, you know my dog Godiva is really sick. She's in the stages of congenital heart failure, and I've been having some really trying days with her. Last night we brought her to the vet, emergency, and I thought I was going to have to put her down last night. And God is good and merciful, and luckily she was able to come home with me. We do have a cough suppressant, and we upped some of her medications, so please keep us both in prayer. I'm pretty wiped. I don't know if you see any bags, maybe the light is hiding it, but I'm like super tired. I have not slept very well since she's up all night coughing, and I'm just so worried about her. So I figured instead of not filming and sitting in my bed and literally staring at her rate of breathing to see if, you know, she can breathe okay, I'm like, let me do an unboxing, take my mind off it. So I have her set up out here next to me, and if you guys hear any coughing, sorry about that. She is sick. So, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing today. Every time I look at like my little ponytail, well, this isn't really a ponytail, but my hair up on a clip, I'm like, it needs to grow faster. I'm gonna tilt this up just a little bit. Is that good? Hopefully it's good. This background, by the way, is like horrible. To store it, I have to like fold it up so you can see like the edges of where I folded it. I liked it. It was snake skin, but it doesn't store like very well, so sorry about that, but I did want to change in background. And if I can get around to it tomorrow, I plan on filming a candle haul, a long-awaited candle haul, as well as a holiday look. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I was inspired by someone I follow on Instagram, so I will give them credit, but if I can film that tomorrow, I'm going to try to get that up. Anyway, how are you guys? Happy holidays. If you guys haven't checked it out, I finally uploaded a vlog, and I'm sorry it's so, like, such a distant one. It was from over the summer when I went to Washington, D.C. for my birthday to visit my brother and my sister-in-law, and I've just been sick, and Godiva's been sick. It's been a hellish 2018. Like, it's just been the worst year of my life. Like, I can't say that often because I think my life's pretty good, but oh my gosh, this year has been like one disaster after the other. Everything from us not being able to find an apartment, we lost so many at the beginning of the year. My car broke, I had to buy a car when I didn't have a car payment before. Everything from like, you know, health issues over the summer that I'm still dealing with. I was like down for the count this past summer, and Godiva had seizures earlier this year, and then I finally got the seizures under control in the summer, and then I learned that she has a heart murmur and is going into heart failure. So this year sucks. Sorry if you're having a good 2018, but I cannot wait for this year to end. And usually, like, even years don't do me dirty like that, you know? Like, usually even years are pretty good for me, but I don't know, maybe 2019. One can hope, right? Alright, so this month is, I got my 50 Beauty Insider Reward points. By the way, I don't know if this is a new change, but you used to not be able to use these online. You can only cash them in person, and I thought that was really annoying, because most times I do a lot of my Sephora, like shopping online, so now you can, I believe you can turn these in. Yeah, you can use Play November 18 and then redeem your points, which is good. Alright, so this month's little theme is Merry and Bright. It is the December box, so sorry it's late. Is it late? Yeah, it's kind of late. Is this, or is this November? Oh gosh, this might be November, because I know that they're always like 2 weeks into the month. Let's just pretend it's December. It's not, but It is holiday themed, so I'm guessing maybe this was November's. And you have a holiday survival guide, some party-proof lips, how bold should you go. They always have like really cute little makeup tips and stuff. And then these are the products. So let's get into them. I mentioned this last time, but they stopped doing the little baggies, which I'm a little sad about because they were always like super cute themes. But I guess a lot of people threw them out and they were wasting their money. So we have everything in like a little plastic baggie. And let's just see what we have here for this month. Alright, so first things first. Wow, this is like the smallest little Laura Mercier translucent setting powder sample I've ever seen. They really went cheap with the sample. Like, this is really small. I think if I dug my brush in here like once or twice, I might be out of product. But I've used the Laura Mercier setting powder. It's good, but honestly, I don't know what all the rave is about. I used 2 other ones that I think are just as good, if not better. And the Mehron one, I think, kicks this one's butt all over the place. And this is really expensive. So I know some people rave about this. It's like their holy grail, but I'm gonna agree to disagree with you guys. I think this is just okay for the price point. It's like nothing special. But anyway, so you get this mini little baby sample, and it says a silky sheer powder that locks in makeup for long-lasting wear. Weightless powder absorbs oil, leaves skin with a smooth, even matte finish. You guys know what setting powder does. So cute little sample. I guess it's cute for traveling. I just feel like I would go through this so fast. Alright, next up we have, and I've seen this before, I don't think I've ever purchased this, but I have smelled it in the store because this is kind of like another holy grail, this purity line from Philosophy. So it says it is an effective one-step cleanser that tones and lightly hydrates skin, melts away oil, dirt, makeup, and other impurities for clean and balanced skin. A blend of 12 essential oils helps soften, soothe, and visibly rejuvenate your complexion. I thought this was actually a body wash, but it's nice to know it is a simple cleanser, and I forget what it smells like. I think it smells like really fresh, but let me see. Yeah, everyone like raves about this. I think it smells really funky, to be honest. I'm not like a huge fan of the scent, but I know that it is very simple ingredients. A lot of people like that if you're into the natural thing. So this cute little sample, and this is definitely perfect for travel. Alright, next we have, alright, good. I thought this was the hair scrub. It's like really weird. It's a salt hair scrub that Christophe Robin makes, and we got it in a box a while ago, and I was intrigued by it. It made my hair so gritty and dry. I think you can only use that product if your hair is super greasy, and mine is not. Mine's very fine and dry, as you can tell by the ends. It's just really had it with me in this life. But anyway, it's not. So I'm gonna read you what this is. This is a cleansing, volumizing paste with pure Rasool clay and rose extracts. I probably butchered that word, but a shampoo formulated with clay that transforms from a paste to airy foam. I don't get it. I guess this is like kind of their thing, that they do these like pastes that are supposed to double as shampoo, but I don't know. I'm always like weirded out by that. And it does kind of have that like salty paste that the salt one has. Lock in color with this unique clay to foam shampoo that absorbs oil and impurities. Yeah, I think this whole thing is like if you have greasy hair, this would help take that away. So you're supposed to apply a tablespoon amount to wet hair in sections, massage, foam, and rinse. I don't know. It's a little strange to me. But I probably won't like this, but I'm going to try it just to see. So, anyway, that's that one. Next, we have a... I'm just laughing because some of the titles of these are cute. It says Lip Lip Hooray. So, I'm guessing it is a liquid lipstick by Sephora. It's their cream lip stain liquid lipstick in pink tea. These always confuse me. Does this look anything like pink? It's like a the camera's making it appear lighter, but it looks like a nudish brown. And this shade is Pink Tea. Alright, let's try it. I'm going to take off the lipstick I have now, which is like pretty much a lip gloss. And let's try this one. Okay, I think I got most of it off. Again, a cute little baby sample. And it's a silky liquid lip stain in a nude pink shade with a matte finish. And it's a stain, like I said, so it doesn't dry you out or get sticky. It's infused with avocado oil for rich, comfortable color from morning to night. Alright, so let's see how this guy looks. Alright, let's see what Pink Tea looks like. Ooh, yeah, this is definitely not pink at all. But honestly, I've used this formula before. I do like it a lot. This color is gorgeous. And I like the smell of these. They're not vanilla like a lot of liquid lipsticks are, but they do have like a sweet plasticky smell, kind of like ColourPop. And I'm into it. Yeah, that's really pretty. I want to see how it dries down, but this is a really nice wearable, I don't think it's pink, but a nude, like a nice wearable nude. Some nudes that are like too close to my skin color, I'm like, ugh, it washes you out. But this one's pretty nice. So I am a fan of that. Next we have a product from Lancome, One Gel of a Hydrator. This is their anti-stress, ooh, Lord knows I need that right now. Hydra Zen Anti-Stress Moisturizing Face Cream. It's a radiance boosting hydrator that visibly plumps skin and evens out tone. Yes. This bouncy oil-free moisturizer starts out as a cream and transitions into a watery gel that protects skin from environmental stressors while soothing and comforting. Ooh, I love that. Cream into a watery gel. Does it have a smell? Yeah. I want to see the consistency, but I don't want to really waste any either. Ooh. Yeah, so it is kind of creamy. And, okay, moisturizing face cream. I will try that. I like light face creams because my skin is kind of oily, and I find that if I get something too heavy, like too geared towards dry skin, it leaves like a residue, and then my foundation just moves all over the place all day. It's a mess. Alright, and last but not least, we have a perfume. I've been like, you guys know this if you watch these kinds of videos, but I've been like 2 for like 100 that they've sent me. Most of the time they're too flowery and I hate them. This is by the brand Commodity. I've never heard of it, and the name of it is called Gold. This gourmand scent captures the indulgence of gold with molten amber and Nubian musk. Warm and spicy with notes of bergamot, juniper berries. Usually things with sandalwood, vanilla, which it has base notes of, and oak moss, creamy musk. Like, I like that. I like the amber. I like warm, spicy things. So maybe I'll like this. Let's see. Wow. That smells delicious. Yep, this is definitely a scent I can get behind. Wow, they surprised me. Good job, Sephora. Alright, so that is it, you guys, for this month's Sephora Play unboxing. Let me know what you got in your box. Let me know what kind of products you guys are loving. Again, I usually do at the end my quick little faves. If I had to pick 2 of these, I would definitely go with the thing that's on my lips, which is the Sephora lip stain, and this perfume, which really surprised me. I know I'm not going to really like this. I'm going to try it anyway. This, I'm like, I'll use it, but I'm not like super excited about it. And then these 2, I will have to try and let you guys know. So that is everything, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. I love you guys so much. Please leave me some love below. I definitely need it. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.